Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice vermicelli. First, gather your ingredients and a large bowl. Begin by soaking your dried rice vermicelli in warm water. Let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they become soft and flexible. Make sure the noodles are fully submerged and gently separate them to prevent clumping. Once your vermicelli is pliable, it's time to cook them. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then carefully add the soaked noodles. Cook them for just 1 to 2 minutes. You want them tender but still with a slight bite. Promptly drain the vermicelli in a colander and rinse thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents them from sticking. Now for the exciting part, stir-frying. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Add your chosen vegetables and protein, stir-frying until they are cooked through and slightly caramelized. Finally, add the drained vermicelli along with your desired sauce, tossing everything together for 1 to 2 minutes until well combined and heated through. Your delicious rice vermicelli is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot as a satisfying main course. For an extra touch of freshness and crunch, garnish with some vibrant cilantro, a sprinkle of chopped peanuts, or a squeeze of lime. This dish is incredibly versatile and perfect for any meal. And for more great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.